Hi, I'm Agent Nelson from Best Buy. Missing family and friends? Here's how to connect with them from your home using a smart assistant. I'll be using the Google Nest Hub Max. Let's get started. Nest Hub Max utilizes Google Duo to make high-definition video calls to the ones you love. The Nest Hub Max is completely voice-controlled, and it utilizes touchscreen technology. You can just say, "Hey Google," and then tell it to call whoever you'd like to see. As long as they're using Google Duo and in your contacts, you'll be connected immediately. Let's try it. Hey Google, call Grandma Kathy, aka Big Kath.
Making a call to Grandma Kathy aka Big Kath, Skype on Duo. Hi.
Hi. Google Duo service also allows you to leave video messages as voicemail, or just send a video message. Just tell it what to do after saying, "Hey Google." That's pretty cool. If you don't want to be seen, or if the person you're calling doesn't utilize Google Duo service, you can make a voice call as well. Hey Google, make a voice call to MJ Nelson.
Calling MJ Nelson, mobile.
That's how I stay connected to family and friends using the Google Nest Hub Max. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.